In this video, you'll learn a step-by-step method to create a YouTube channel and start earning income from day one. Hey champs, welcome to MoneyMind Quest. If you're looking to generate income online, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the ultimate guide to launching your YouTube channel and monetizing it from the get-go. If this sounds good to you, be sure to watch till the end and follow each step, and don't forget to join the MoneyMind Quest champs. Let's get into it. Step 1, choose your niche. The first and most crucial step is to choose your niche. Your niche determines your content strategy and potential earnings. Picking a niche you're passionate about ensures you stay motivated and can consistently create valuable content. Additionally, selecting a niche with high earning potential is vital. Selecting a niche for your YouTube channel is essential because it defines your channel's identity and target audience. When you choose a specific niche, you're essentially setting the tone and focus of your content. This makes it easier for viewers to understand what your channel is about and decide if it's something they're interested in. A well-chosen niche doesn't just attract viewers, it also brings in loyal followers and potential sponsors. When your content consistently resonates with a specific group, they are more likely to subscribe, return for more, and engage with your videos. This kind of loyalty is valuable because sponsors are always looking to invest in channels that have a dedicated and engaged audience. With a targeted niche, you increase your chances of attracting sponsorship deals that can help you grow and monetize your channel. Another important aspect of selecting a niche is ensuring that you enjoy creating content. When you're passionate about your niche, making videos becomes a fun and fulfilling activity rather than a chore. Top niches with high CPM. Some of the best niches include make money online, wealth, health, and technology. These niches tend to have higher CPM, which is the cost per thousand impressions rates, meaning you earn more money per thousand views. Make money online. This niche offers extensive opportunities for monetization through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and high CPM rates. Wealth. Content focused on personal finance, investments, and wealth building strategies typically attracts high value advertisers. Health. Topics like fitness, wellness, and nutrition have a broad audience and attract high paying advertisers. Technology, tech reviews, tutorials, and gadget news are popular and often come with lucrative sponsorship deals. How to find a niche and what to consider long-term. Research your interests, identify topics you are passionate about and have some expertise in. Analyze market demand, use tools like Google Trends and YouTube Analytics to gauge interest in potential niches. Consider competition. While high competition can be challenging, it also indicates a strong demand. Focus on finding a unique angle. Evaluate monetization potential, research how other creators in your niche make money. Look for niches with multiple revenue streams like ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Think long-term, choose a niche you can see yourself creating content for over the next several years. Step 2, plan your content. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to plan your content. Start by brainstorming at least 30 video ideas. Look at popular videos in your niche to get inspiration and use tools like vidIQ to find trending topics and keywords. To come up with around 30 video ideas, search for popular videos on YouTube, sort the results by the most popular uploads within the past 6 months, note down the ideas from videos that have over 100,000 views, aiming to gather about 15 ideas this way. For the remaining 15 ideas, use tools like vidIQ to find top keywords and see how you can integrate them into your videos. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and gets high engagement. You may subscribe to vidIQ to get the research done and cancel afterwards if you choose to. For your content planning, consider these tips. Mix evergreen and trending topics. Evergreen content stays relevant over time, while trending topics can bring in quick bursts of traffic. Evergreen topic examples are weight loss, minimalism, while trending topics could be an event like a political election. Create a content calendar, plan your videos in advance to ensure a consistent upload schedule. Engage with your audience, ask your viewers what content they want to see, and create videos based on their feedback. Step 3, set up your channel. Setting up your YouTube channel is a straightforward process. If you already have a Google account, you're halfway there. Start by signing into YouTube with your Google account, then follow the platform's step-by-step guide to create your channel. You'll be prompted to choose a channel name, which should reflect your brand or the niche you've selected. Take your time with this step, as your channel name is an important part of your identity on the platform. You can use ChatGPT here for some ideas. Once your channel is set up, it's crucial to optimize it to attract and retain viewers. Begin by adding a professional logo and eye-catching channel art. These elements are the first things visitors see and can significantly impact their first impression. Tools like Snappa and Canva are excellent for creating high-quality graphics without needing advanced design skills. They offer templates specifically for YouTube, making it easier to create visuals that fit perfectly. Besides visual optimization, make sure to fill out your channel description with relevant keywords and a brief overview of what your channel is about. This helps viewers understand your content and improves your searchability. Also, organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to find related content and keep them engaged longer. Finally, consider adding channel tags and a custom URL once eligible to further enhance your channel's professionalism and discoverability. Regularly updating your content and engaging with your audience through comments and community posts will also help you build a loyal subscriber base. Step 4, generate content. Generating content for your YouTube channel involves a few key steps to ensure your videos are engaging and professional. Stock-based content. If you plan to incorporate stock footage in your videos, there are several excellent resources available. Websites like Storyblogs, Pixabay, and Pexels provide a vast selection of free and paid stock footage. These platforms offer high-quality videos that can enhance your content and make it more visually appealing without the need for extensive filming. Video editing tools. For editing your videos, consider using video editing software such as Nivid or V.io. These tools come equipped with built-in stock content, which can simplify the editing process and help you create polished videos quickly. If you're looking to produce more creative or educational content, whiteboard animation tools like VideoScribe and animation software like Animaker are great options. These tools allow you to create engaging animations and visual explanations, adding a unique and professional touch to your videos. Generate content using AI video tools. Incorporating AI video generation tools can significantly streamline your content creation process. Platforms like Pictory, Lumen 5, and Synthesia allow you to create high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. These tools use AI to convert text into engaging video content, complete with animations, voiceovers, and visuals, reducing the need for extensive editing or filming. By leveraging AI, you can produce professional-looking videos that captivate your audience while saving time and effort. Step 5, monetization from day one. Affiliate marketing strategy. To start making money from day one, consider pairing your channel with high-commission digital products. You can promote these products through affiliate marketing. Platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24 offer a wide range of products to choose from. Simply sign up, find a product that aligns with your niche, and obtain your affiliate link. When viewers click on your link and complete a purchase, you earn a commission. Choosing the right products. Focus on promoting products that offer substantial commissions, ideally between $250 and $500 per sale. For example, a $1,000 digital course with a 50% commission rate would earn you $500 for each sale. Even with a smaller audience, this strategy can lead to significant earnings. Just 20 sales per month at $500 each would result in $10,000 in monthly income. So aim for products that offer commissions between $250 to $500. This way, even with a small audience, you can earn substantial income from affiliate sales. Step 6, upload and optimize your videos. Consistency is key. Upload your videos consistently, ideally 3 times a week. The YouTube algorithm favors regular uploads, and it will help your channel grow faster. Analytics and improvement. Use YouTube Analytics to monitor your video performance. Focus on metrics like audience retention and click-through rates. Optimize your content by analyzing what's working and what isn't. Use viewers' comments as a feedback tool. Engage with viewers and learn what they want to see. Before I sign off, here are quick bonus tips. Value-driven content. Always aim to provide value in your videos, whether it's educational or entertaining. Valuable content will keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Realistic expectations. Be patient and set realistic expectations. Success on YouTube doesn't always happen overnight. Commit to uploading at least 30 to 60 videos before expecting significant results. Learning from competitors. Study what successful channels in your niche are doing. Learn from their strategies and improve upon them. If you want more detailed step-by-step guide creating and monetize your own YouTube channel, then check out the 2 Mastery and Monetization course in the description below. Note, this is an affiliate link course. Creating wealth can be fun, but managing and keeping it is another skill. Be sure to check out this video to improve your personal finance skills. Don't forget to join the MoneyMind Quest champs by smashing the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Stay wealthy, champs.